Thank you for joining me at our studios in Jamaica. For today, Wednesday the 17th of July 2024, I'm your presenter, Marshall Alexander. Let's begin by taking a look at what's going on in the tropics, or in the Atlantic rather. We are monitoring a tropical wave with axis located near 50 degrees west. As you can see, there's limited convection associated with this tropical wave as it moves from east to west and expected to approach the area by Friday. Now, taking a look at the moisture associated with that wave, a significant amount of moisture can be seen ahead of this tropical wave. However, there's a removal of moisture in this region of the tropical wave, which is behind the axis, and this is in association with the presence of Saharan dust. Also, a few areas of moisture can be seen near Dominica in association with a trough system which is presently affecting the island. Taking a look at satellite imagery, again, limited convection can be seen in association with that tropical wave as it approaches the area expected to be affecting Dominica by Friday. Now, taking a look at the Saharan dust, a significant amount of Saharan dust can be seen here, which coincides with the area of moisture removal as seen in the previous satellite image. So if we look here, we can see the outline of this tropical wave, which is presently moving from east to west and approaching the islands. Now let's take a look at what's going on with rainfall projection as it relates to moisture. An increase in moisture is expected to be maintained across Dominica during tonight in association with a trough system. It's expected to result in generally cloudy skies. Now moving on to Thursday, moisture levels will be maintained across Dominica. However, if we look here, the axis of that tropical wave will be closer to Dominica as it moves from east to west and approaches the island chain. Now by Friday afternoon, a significant amount of moisture can be seen here, which means that we can expect cloudy to overcast conditions with scattered showers, which can be heavy at times, and possible isolated thunderstorms due to the approach or the presence of this tropical wave by Friday. As a result, we are advising people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks to be on alert and to exercise extreme caution. Now moving on, this condition is expected to continue from Friday afternoon into Friday night and into Saturday morning. However, by midday on Saturday, we expect to see a gradual reduction in moisture and an improvement in weather conditions. Taking a look at earlier radar imagery, a few pockets of showers which lingered to the east of Dominica as they continue to move from east to west due to the presence of a trough system. Tonight's weather is expected to be generally cloudy with a few scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms. Similar conditions can be expected into tomorrow, with winds picking up to 35 kilometers per hour and coming generally from the east. Sea conditions are expected to be slight to moderate, with waves peaking near 7 feet. High tides expected to be at 12:10 p.m. and 2:28 p.m., with low tides at 7:51 a.m. and 6:23 p.m. For the next few days, generally cloudy skies with a few scattered showers and a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms on Thursday. And by Friday, we had yellow vigilance, which means that we should be aware due to the presence of a tropical wave expected to result in generally cloudy to overcast skies with periods of light to moderate showers, heavy at times, and possible isolated thunderstorms. This condition is expected to continue into Friday night and Saturday morning, when we can see an improvement in conditions by Saturday afternoon. Again, people in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks, you're advised to be on alert and to exercise extreme caution. Sunrise tomorrow will be at 5:43 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:40 p.m. Please remember that we are in hurricane season. Don't be caught off guard. Have a good one.